or them end up unalive. You understand? Nicki Minaj now see real people where suffer and try reach out to them. Nicki Minaj try reach out to them individuals. Yeah. Yeah man, I'll do so. Nicki Minaj now try reach out to nobody where really suffer. You understand? Some people, some TikTokers alone, me see Nicki Minaj reach out to. Me see Nicki Minaj try reach out to what I say now? One little foundation where help a little sickly pitney them up at children's or nothing like that. The artists are bored and this is her way of entertaining herself. It's entertainment for her. Tash Chin, me feel like that's what you think. Me feel like that is what you think. You understand? Nicki Minaj. The mood is a Nicki Minaj. Hold on there, guys. Sorry about that. Let me explain something. Nicki Minaj is a superstar, mega artist, big artist. You really think you're bored, Nicki Minaj bored, and this fear way of entertainment and she try to entertain herself? A billionaire like Nicki Minaj, something else in this. I don't think I give away Nicki Minaj just feel like we give away money. No. Why Nicki Minaj not do it in a fair country? Which one I TikTokers them in a fair country you see Nicki Minaj over there give lion and a help? Why everybody when Nicki Minaj give a lion end up unalive? Or them career sink? And every gift a gift, yeah? Enough people are gonna make it seems like my bad mind. These people, me not bad mind people. Cause I know every gift a gift. You understand? You see she gift blame them, notice. She did gift. Something there you know. She did gift. When name bossed. Notice the type of people when Nicki Minaj a gift. It's not about negative. It's not about negative. It's about open your eyes and be wise. You know, say, let me tell you this. People are gullible to the core, are stupid. Enough people who go to college and don't have a brain for themselves. Enough who go to college and go to university with a big doctor lawyer and dumb your fuck. And dumb, really dumb, spiritually blind. A lot of you people are spiritually blind. That is why you guys cannot see these things. That is why. I don't care if it's your favorite artist or if you like our music or not, bro. These things are real. These people have to be careful. These people have to be careful, bro G. You understand? I can tell you. You see like how you see Nicki Minaj give blame them little gift now and give Rose little gift. Just watch and see the destruction we are going to take them. Just watch and see the destruction we are going to take them. Why Nicki Minaj can't help some regular people in Jamaica? Why are these people alone she interested for help? You know for open the eyes, man. You know for open the eyes. Someone is spiritually blind. Open your eyes. Why she not help nobody else but these people? And why every time I've been saying this, why every time she help one of these people something bad happened to them? Naya get lion before. Bossed get lion before. Who else? World get lion before. Why all of these people bad things happen to them? It's not about travel at that with we Jamaicans. We mix and mingle too much. We abandon our culture and go take on other people's culture. We don't stick to our roots. And now we alone love do them things here. The other people, the other races, don't abandon them culture, bro. You understand? We mix and mingle too much, fam. And we too friendly and love kin off with teeth and love likes and sweets. That is we. And that's why bad things can happen to we. We love sweets. Jamaican people love sweets. That's why a bag of foolishness can take away and happen to you, and people can easily set you up. Brother, you see, just like how you have physical warfare, you have spiritual warfare also. So you have to have your spirituality up. You have to have your spirituality up. You have to look into things, bro. People will frig you over spiritually, and every gift a gift. Sometimes in life you have to turn down the devil offer. These people are not natural. You understand? Them not naturally get where them achieve. Them have to do things for it. And them have to do things to maintain it. And that is just the reality. Like it or not, that is just the reality of it. And there is a significance behind Nicki Minaj gifting these people. And we see it played out already. And she not stop. She not stop. And you're going to see more and more happen. No, me not tell no lie. I am not telling any lie. When me I try to tell my fellow Jamaican people, be careful. Me not tell you say don't accept a gift, but be careful. Pray. Be careful. You see how excited Blam them get when time, you know? Nicki Minaj link him up, but one thing me can't tell Blam them, be careful. Pray. Pray over them lion there. Pray over them gift there. Pray over them lion there. Pray over them gift there. Lisa, what's up morning? So people there here say, uno come, uno attack me for Nicki Minaj. Me know what me know, you know. Me not either. So if she give you, you not take it. Me not tell you say me not take it, but me not idiot. Me not idiot. Me an idiot, me a pray over that and cancel it. Whatever she send it for do, me a tell God say cancel that. Cause some people will send gift come give you for frig you up. You never hear people tell you say they can't set money and can't come give you. You fuck. Don't think a joke. People will set money and carry come give you. Anything can be set spiritually and then present it to you and it frig you up. Destiny swap. You can't turn nothing in a life. All of the little good energy we surround you gone. Them drain it and leave you and give it, swap your energy. Fully up and be a bad energy. Be a crosses and destruction start follow you. You have to be careful these days. People will remember this, you know. People will do anything to obtain money, you know, and power, you know. People are go to the devil. You understand? So you have to be careful. You touch all a man and nobody no notice that from that she don't deal with Brittany. She not deal with her. She cut her off completely. Brittany realized, say, yo, the girl are up to, you know, the girl are up to something. The girl are up to something and Brittany send back them there. Brittany smart. Brittany no licky. Me I tell you that. Bad to bad. Me no care how no one say Brittany fall off. Brittany mad. Me no care how no one say. Brittany is the only somebody who didn't get sacrificed. And Brittany pick up and see what go on. You have some people spiritually, you know. You have some people spiritually bad, you know. You have some people spiritually bad, you know. Let me tell you that. So Brittany probably get all a dream, get all a vision, say, yo, send back the lion them. And that she do. Because Brittany probably get a little dream and she say, yo, you know, say, something not right, something not feel right, me I send them back. Sometimes in life you have to heed your warning, you know. Sometimes you get a dream and you wonder what this dream all about. You know, but you don't want to accept it, say, that the dream I tell you. Sometimes you have to heed your warning, sometimes a warning you get. Sometimes a warning you get. Me no care who want bet. Me no care who want say they not rate me, but me talk it as it is, bro. And not every gift a gift. And Nicki Minaj gift them have something behind it. Coming. Believe me. Nicki Minaj gift them have something behind it. Brittany goof or golf, she's smart. She's a very smart girl. She's a very smart. You have some people, I'm tell you say, yo, this is a few problem. We Jamaicans people, this is a few problem. We licky differently. And that's the problem what we have. We licky bad. We will sell out anytime, anywhere for money. We too licky, and that's the problem. Enough of them Jamaican people and not can't turn down $120. All when time they have 4 times the amount of the $20 with them I get, them still can't turn down the $20. They will do anything they will sell. Right now, I feel like say half of Jamaica are willing to sell them soul. If the Illuminati propose it to the Jamaican people, enough people out here sell them soul. Let me tell you that. We too licky bro G. Sometimes if you check things spiritually, people give me money already and mash me up. People give me money already and mash me up. And when I believe say, oh, them people are rate me and them are bless me up. And I say, bless up yourself, you deserve it. Deserve a ras. That the money they come set. That the money they come set. People will set that blood cleat and carry on give up and mash you up in a life. Tear you down in a life. Mad you out in a life. So you have to check things spiritually. You can't just accept gift from people. Be careful. You understand? Be careful. The devil work under disguise. That's how the devil work. Nicki Minaj need to help some regular people. Help the churches them now. Donate to the churches them now. I bet you say she can't do them thing there. Because she have to do whatever the fear people them tell her to do. She can't just get up and do certain things. When them are part of them thing, they can't just get up and do certain things. Them have to follow orders. She not help no, but look upon children. See children there in Jamaica, they will do much pitney up there we need help. Look how much pitney there in Africa where I suffer. Why me not see Nicki Minaj or Drake or none of them I try reach out to them the people. Them can't help them. They're not supposed to help them. In a way them can't really help people who need help. You understand? No, the licky one. But yet still you're on this app talking from people. I not understand that. What about your country? Brother, me an idiot. We all see what go on with Nicki Minaj. I feel her money she do what she want. Well, I don't jackass, you know. No sense, you know. And enough of some look iniquity and how be work on yourself. And some look, some of you there, so we are defend Nicki Minaj and the slackness. No for you hold down people pitney for achieve out of life. No for you there, so let me talk. No for you there, so mama and papa traditional hobby work and evil doers. So no for you inherit the fuckery. No for you inherit the fuckery. You understand? So when time you hear people speak righteousness, you take offense of it. When people talk truth, you take offense of it because enough of you do the same damn thing to achieve out of life. Hold on a friend, hold on a family, sacrifice on a picnic, sacrifice on a mama. Enough of you do the same thing for having a big house and big car. Enough of you. So you there, so you go attack me because it's the truth. Because what you have to do in a life, you live comfortable. What you have to do in a life, if you live comfortable, when time when you hear people attack the truth and you take offense. You understand? I mean, I talk the truth, enough I want to don't gain success. The true way, you not get success. The rightful way, you not work for success. You not hold down people pitney. You know, hold down people pitney. No for no mama and papa hold down people pitney for pushing you through school and pushing you through college. Thief people energy. Swap people destiny. Sacrifice people pitney for you get riches. No for no guilty. Blood the pound no shoulder. Blood the pound no hand. And let me tell you, the physical blood can't wash off, but the spiritual one stay in you. You understand? No for no. No one guilty. So guess what? Una go come attack me now and make me feel like say when me attack, I am not right. Me know say me right pan when me attack. They are looking with the physical eye and not with the spiritual eye. Some of them, listen up, my friend. Listen to me, ladies. Some of them are people are the same evil as this girl. Some of them eviler than Nicki Minaj. Some of them evil to the core. Right now, Jamaica pack of evil doers. A be a obia man people them a go. From man to girl to boy to picnic. Be a obia man. Which one of them a go to church? Which one of them a pray to God himself? Which one of them a trust and believe in a God? They are not doing it. All like Jamaican people them out here, 3/4 of them, a hobby them want. Evil them want. Them rather walk with dopey more than invite God angels amongst them. Me I tell you that. Them rather them